Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about calcium. So, in the calcium, 1 kg of calcium is present in human body. Among this, 99% is present in the bone and only 1% is present in the extracellular fluid. And this calcium calcium exists in three forms. That is, it exists as complexed with organic acids, or it exists as protein bound, or it exists in ionized form. Complexed with organic acids, protein bound, or ionized form. So the concentration of ionized form calcium is between 1.1 to 1.3 millimoles, and this ionized form is the most active form of calcium. Okay, thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.